Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making an immediate copy of the damaged JPG so you never risk the original. Once copied, check size and extension to confirm it's a JPG and not 0 bytes. That tells you if data remains. Next, open the copy in 2 different viewers because some programs tolerate partial headers. If one opens it, export a fresh JPG. Make sure to note any error messages. They guide the next repair step and save wasted effort. You now attempt hands-on fixes. Rename the extension to JPEG and try opening because some apps read alternate extensions. If that fails, open the copy in an editor like GIMP or Photoshop and use Open As or Import. Editors sometimes reconstruct missing JPG segments. Once open, export a new file. If the image shows distortion but data exists, run a lossless tool such as JPEGTran to copy/repair headers and perform a lossless rotate or convert. This often regenerates a usable JPEG. You finish by exporting the repaired image at full quality to preserve recovered pixels and save a verified copy. If corruption persists, you can try a header splice. Take a header from a working JPG of the same camera/settings and append your image data. This can fix missing metadata. Make sure to verify the result in multiple viewers. If nothing works, check your disk integrity and restore from backups. Running a quick disk check can reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.